If you're like most people, when you think of flipping houses, first thing that probably comes to mind is the reality shows on TV about flipping houses. And while these shows can be great for entertainment, they are horrible for education. And here's why. Flipping houses in real life is not what you see on TV. And even though these shows are classified as reality shows, the stories on the shows are far from real life. They craft these stories for entertainment, not education. The so-called investors on these shows put themselves in very risky positions that leaves no safety net, which is not how to do the business. In fact, if you copy what you see on TV, you'll probably lose the shirt off your back and everything else you own. You see, there is a correct way to flip houses. It's the same process my team and I have been using for the past 15 years, and I'm willing to share it with you in my new book called Virtual Real Estate Investing Secrets. It allows me to bring home checks like these without leaving my house or risking my own cash or credit. Now, if you're finding it too hard to find deals in your local market, it's because the market's too hot, which means it's time to move to a virtual market. This book will not only show you how to do that, it will also guide you step by step on how to start, grow, and automate a virtual real estate investing business starting on a shoestring budget. So click the button below, claim your copy. I'm DC Fawcett, and I will always fight for your freedom.